Now we're going to explore the Loft feature. First, I'm going to create a very simple block. Click on the top plane, press Sketch, and then I'll right-click to view normal. Now I will make a center point rectangle. Press on the origin once, click out here, and press Escape to cancel the rectangle tool, and we will add some quick dimensions. 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. I'm finished with the sketch. Go to isometric view and I'll extrude my block. 25 millimeters is fine. So now I have a new geometry. I'm going to hide some of this other reference planes and origin point. So now we're going to make a loft command. We do this by creating two sketches and then connecting them together with the loft tool. So first I'm going to create a sketch on the top face of this block. So I'm going to press the sketch button and it asks me to select a sketch plane. So I'll press the top face of the block. Now I'll right click, view normal to sketch plane, and I will add a new sketch feature that I haven't talked about called an inscribed polygon. So the way you create this is with your polygon tool, select the midpoint by clicking once, and now you can move your mouse around to make your polygon as big as you want. Click one more time, and then you'll notice the number 6 or 7 in black. As you move your mouse away, you can increase the number of sides to your polygon. So we're going to have a hexagon. So move until you see the black 6 and click a third and final time. So now we have our hexagon. We still have the tool active, so I'm going to press the escape button to deactivate that. And I'll zoom in to get a better view. Let's go ahead and put some dimensions on it. First, I'm going to make this edge horizontal. Next, I'm going to add some dimensions. I'm going to dimension this interior construction circle, and I'll give it a value of 40 millimeters. Next, I'll position this hexagon within our block. So we'll position it 30 millimeters away from the top and 30 millimeters away from the side. Our sketch is 100% black, so we are finished. So let's press the green check. So now if we go back into isometric view, we have our block with one sketch. Next, we need to make an offset plane so we can add another sketch, and then we can loft between the two sketches. So I'm going to press my plane tool. I'm going to offset off the top face of this block. That's my entities for reference, and I'm going to offset, and the distance, let's set it at 100 millimeters. You can press check. Now notice our plane is out of view, so you can press F for fill the screen, and that will zoom out so that we can see everything. Next, we need to create a second sketch on our new plane that we created. So we can create a sketch. It asks to select a plane, so let's go ahead and select our new plane, and we can do right-click, view normal. Let's put a circle up here where we'll loft from the circle down to our hexagon. So we can put our circle wherever we want. So we create a circle. Let's go ahead and deselect our circle and add some dimensions. We'll give it a diameter of 30 millimeters, and I'll position it from the top 30 and from the left 30. Now notice I've positioned the circle exactly in the center of our hexagon, so when we create our loft, it'll look pretty centered. So when I'm done with my sketch, come back to isometric view, and I'll go ahead and hide plane 1. So now we have two sketches, a circle and a hexagon, and I'm going to loft between the two. You can press the loft tool and select the first sketch, and select the second sketch. Onshape automatically does its best to connect the two profiles together in a smooth manner. And sometimes it doesn't always go so well, but this is an easy example. So you can press the green check, and as we look at our shape, we can see that we've transitioned from our circle down to a hexagon.